everyone, my name is Elisa Putri Anjani. I'm from English Education 2021, Faculty of Language and Arts, Ismailia State University. In this video, we're going to look at the A sound. This is a diphthong, which means that it was a combination of two vowel sounds in one syllable. This one is made up of the A sound and the I sound. It's in word like day, day, play, play, wait, wait, make, make, say, say. And then we're going to look at the I sound. It's in word like die, die, tie, tie, style, style, find, find, smile, smile. And then the last one, we're going to talk about the oi sound. It's in word like soil, soil, boil, boil, voice, voice, toy, toy, and boy, boy. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is my task for my lectures. But if my video helps you to improve your English, I'm really happy. Thank you very much.